Hello students! My name is Teacher Jocelyn and I'm going to teach you how to wash your hands properly.
Washing your hands is an easy yet essential way to stop bacteria and germs from spreading. That's why we need to know how to do it properly.
Okay student, we just need 3 things. First, water. Second, soap. And the third is towel.
First, wet your hands with a clean water. Next, apply enough soap to create a good lather. Step 3, rub your hands palm in circular motion. Step 4, rub the back of hands. Step 5, enclose your right hand around your left thumb and rub as you rotate it. Step 6, rub palms with your fingers over your left palm in a circular motion. Step 7, cleanse your hand with water. Always remember to turn off your faucet after washing your hands. And lastly, dry your hands with towel. And there you go! Your hands are now clean.
So when are the best times to wash your hands?
Before and after eating, after using the bathroom, after cleaning around the house, after touching animals, after coughing or sneezing, and after being outside.
Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Have a nice day!